Okay, so let's start again.
This is off the Stonewoods and Cook 41 Willies.
Okay,
When my Uncle Ray was driving it.
okay,
And what it had a spoiler. They tried a spoiler back in the days.
okay,
And it came across the back. It was a homemade deal.
okay,
And they fiberglassed it all back in because of the holes in it. And they put a liner in it. And
okay.
then I got another liner from somebody. I don't know who.
Will that liner go over this?
No.
Okay.
No. It's
So
just another liner.
just another liner,
Yeah.
and that's a steel liner.
No.
That's fiberglass too.
Fiberglass also.
Okay, okay.
All of it's fiberglass.
So is this off
That's
Swindler
all-
A?
Yes.
Okay,
And this is the actual pins. If you look at the car at the museum, it's still got these in it. I put a new one in it because I was redoing the glass on it. So
you put a new what lid
I
on?
put a new lid on it. Yeah,
Looks too crazy.
deck lid. I'm sorry. I put a new deck lid on it. But if you take this one over there, it'll bolt right on the car. There's where the parachute set.
And this is off the car that's in the Lions Museum.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Swindler A.
Okay, let's get the one a better look. There's the pins to it. We have a little, but I mean it's really the
it's more-
history. The history of this
That's
piece
exactly it.
trumps everything else.
Yeah, well, no, and what'll happen to it, if they're going to use it for a piece of history,
Yeah.
what I'll do is I'll sign it like I sign all my stuff.
Okay.
And it'll say Stonewoods and Cook, Swindler A, and then I'll put on there Mike Cook. I
Excellent.
always sign my name when I write
Right,
something,
right.
so nobody can say, well, Doug Cook wasn't alive then.
Okay. Great.